Hi friends, welcome to Ansel. So today it is the 60th episode in the space series. Yes, we are already at the number 60. That's a pretty large number. So today we're going to discuss about the rover named Opportunity, which is like the twin brother of the rover Spirit. So we discussed about Spirit in the last video of the space series. Yes, it was also another rover. So Opportunity, which is also known as MERB or also known as MER1, is a robotic rover that was active on Mars from 2004 until 2018. So its other names include MERB and MER1. Here MER means Mars Exploration Rover. So I have one question in all of this. So Spirit's name is MER or MER2. So that is very confusing. Yeah. So that means Opportunity was launched like 3 weeks after Spirit. That means it should be MER2, right? Confusion. Yeah. So first it had a pretty long lifespan of up to a total of 14 years. Yeah, that's a pretty long time for a rover. Yes, its brother only lasted for 7 years. Only 7 years. Yes. So it was operational on Mars for 5,111 sols, which are just the days on Mars. Yes, Martian days. So which is equivalent to 14 years, 138 days on the Earth. The Earth days. So yeah, that was a pretty long time again. Remember that. So it was launched on July 7th, 2003 as a part of NASA's Mars Exploration Rover program. Yeah, that's why it has MER, which means Mars Exploration Rover. So yeah, okay. So it landed on Meridiani Planum, which is like a region of Mars or like a crater, on January 25th, 2004, which is just 3 weeks after its twin Spirit, or also known as MERA. So both of the rovers landed on opposite sides of the planet. While, let's just draw a diagram here. So this is the red planet, equivalently drawn in red ink. So next we'll draw the rovers. So in blue ink. So here is Spirit, and on the other side is Upper Dot. So they were landed on the complete different sides of Mars. So both of them twins never even met each other. Yeah. So okay. So the launch site was Cape Canaveral because lots of rockets or even lots of satellites from NASA are literally sent from Cape Canaveral because it is very close to the equator. Yeah. So the rocket name was 7925H. So creative. Yeah. Yes, very creative because no other rocket literally has that name. It is not even part 2 or not part 1 because it is 7925H. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So last contact with Opportunity was on June 10th, 2018. So what happened was, normally periodically when dust storms occur on the surface of Mars, Opportunity just shuts off for some time to store energy. But after one sandstorm started, like on June 10, 2018, then they did their last contact to just stop their energy for some time. But then I think the dust blocked the solar panels, leaving the Martian spacecraft with no energy and finally dying. Rest in peace in 2018. But it was finally declared as dead. Not dead, but yeah, mission failed on, not exactly failed, but yeah, it died on 2019. It was finally declared 1 year later. That was sad story. While its twin brother Spirit, he was stuck in sand and he had a pretty bad death than his brother who lived a longer life. Yeah. So next, the scientific findings which Opportunity did. So it has provided substantial evidence in support of the mission's primary scientific goals. So these goals include to search for and characterize a wide range of rocks and regoliths that holds clues to past water activity on Mars. So that means this rover wants to just take samples of literally every type of rock on Mars and see, just check if it had like using some tools it will find if that there was once water on Mars, like that, to say easily. Next, it has also obtained astronomical observations and atmospheric data, like how space looks from Mars and how the atmosphere is in Mars. Presently, it has a lot of methane and carbon dioxide, so we can't live inside it. And so, if we go into there without a spacesuit, we are good as dead. Yeah. So these are the scientific findings. And next, the honors. So an asteroid was named after Opportunity as Opportunity, like some digits including 39382, because just the name Opportunity isn't enough. They need some numbers to make it separate. Yeah. So this is for today about the rover Opportunity. Bye.